Hello everyone, I'm very excited about today's maths lesson. Today we're going to be looking at symmetry. A shape is symmetrical if it is the same on both sides. A shape has a line of symmetry if both its parts match exactly when it is folded along a line of symmetry. In other words, one part is a mirror image of the other part. Let's discover more about symmetry. Look at the butterfly. What are the colors of the butterfly's wings? How are the wings shaped? Do you notice that both wings are exactly the same? One wing is a mirror image of the other wing. Something has symmetry if it can be split into two mirror image halves. A butterfly is symmetrical because you can fold a picture of it in half and see that both sides match. Symmetry can be tested by using a mirror to explore reflections. Here I drew a butterfly. I drew the head, the thorax, the abdomen, an antenna as well as its wing. But I only drew half the butterfly. And then I placed half my butterfly along a mirror, and the mirror reflected the other half of the butterfly. An object is symmetrical when it can be folded in half and both sides are exactly the same. This means it is congruent. Congruent means having the same shape and the same size. A line of symmetry divides a shape into two congruent parts. Different things can be symmetrical, such as shapes, letters, numbers, animals, insects, and even people. A line of symmetry can be a line cutting a shape in different ways. We're going to look at the different directional lines. Firstly, we have a line going from top to bottom. This is a vertical line. Then we have a line going from left to right. This is a horizontal line. Finally, we have a line going from the top corner to the opposite bottom corner. This is a diagonal line. Now let's take a look. Is the shape symmetrical? Does this square have symmetry? Yes, this square does have symmetry because the line divides the square into two congruent parts. The part at the top of the line of symmetry is exactly the same as the part at the bottom. Does this triangle have symmetry? No, this triangle does not have symmetry because the line does not divide the triangle into two congruent parts. The part at the top of the line is not exactly the same as the part below the line. Does this arrow have symmetry? Yes, this arrow does have symmetry because the line divides the arrow into two congruent parts. The part above the line is exactly the same as the part below the line. Does this bee have symmetry? Yes, this bee does have symmetry because the line divides the bee into two congruent parts. So what we need to remember is a shape is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. A shape has a line of symmetry if both its parts match exactly when it is folded along the line of symmetry. Now that we've learned about symmetry, remember, a shape is symmetrical if it is the same on both sides. Now see if you can find symmetry around you. Look around your home, maybe look in the garden, look around your classroom or the shops. There is symmetry everywhere. And I'll give you an idea. If you go to McDonald's and you look at those big golden arches in their logo, they are perfectly symmetrical. The one half of their logo is exactly the same as the other half of their logo. It is a line of symmetry that can go right down the middle. Now see if you can find symmetry around you.